Make your future child. Viral AI trend on TikTok, quick guide. 1. Prepare the CapCut application on your cell phone. You can get it on Play Store or something similar. 2. Log into CapCut using your TikTok account. Three. Reopen your TikTok. Four. AI filter that you want from the existing video. Five. Select the CapCut section like a video. Please note that we can only use this AI filter for free twice. 6. Use the template and select the photo you want to use. Seven. Select send and wait until the process is complete. Each cell phone has a different duration. If you have selected export, you can upload it to TikTok as usual. If this helps, don't forget to subscribe.